Okay, so we did our W sounds, we did our practice writing our W and our words, and then the last slide, we just had a bunch of pictures of bobcats. I thought that'd be fun to look at. So now you're going to take out your bobcat book in just a moment. Remember, it's in your blue reading folder. Yesterday you read it. You talked about facts and opinions. So today we're going to read it for fluency. That means I just want you to get better at reading the words. So the substitute is going to put you with a partner, and she can let you choose who you want to read with, or she could put you with a partner. And then I want you to, when you're all settled in a spot, remember you could be around the classroom. Only one person can be in a tent, so you can't be in the tent for partner reading. But I want you to pick your spot and pick it well. And then when she gives you your partner, you're going to take your Bobcat book only, and you're going to read a page, your partner's going to read a page. You're going to read a page, your partner's going to read a page. But all of us are reading at the same time. So you need to whisper read so you and your partner can hear each other, but the other groups don't need to hear you. Don't sit close to your best friend that's in a different group and start playing. You'll set the timer for about maybe 3 or 4 minutes, 4 or 5 minutes if you need a little longer, and just read the book, talk about bobcats after you read. And then when you are done, we will do a different activity. We'll learn more about fact and opinion with a different one of our books. So you'll just click on the next slide.